They have plenty of greenery and shrubbery, and they have aloe vera and all this really nice plants to kind of give it a very homely feel. They even have a little mosquito coil thing over there. This place is equipped with a DSTV and Wi-Fi. And then the kitchen is off to the right here, far enough away from everything. So if you want to cook, you don't have the food smell going in the house. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe Hotagua from Authentic African. And if you want to see what a $50 a night Airbnb looks like here in Accra, Ghana, then this is the video for you. All right, cool. So I am here in the trade fair area of Accra, Ghana. It's near Chado. My favorite area is Chado. Trade fair is right next to Chado. It's 5 minutes from the beach and 15 minutes from the airport. So I'm going to take you on a tour. So let's go. So the first thing you're going to do is you get a key. So this key opens up here and we go in. So come on. All right. So of course, now you have to lock. Every time you come in, you lock the door. Now this place is up the steps. So let's go up the steps. So now we're going to go up to the terrace first. I'll give you a tour of the terrace and the outdoor furniture. Then we'll go inside. So let's go. All right, cool. So the first thing you see is they have plenty of greenery and shrubbery, and they have aloe vera and all this really nice plants to kind of give it a very homely feel. And then over here, what you'll notice is they have some outdoor seating. So, you know, if you're a smoker or whatever, the rules are no smoking in the house. So you can smoke out here. Chill out here. If you want to get the cool breeze during the early morning or late night, you can sit outside. They even have a little mosquito coil thing over there so you can keep the mosquitoes away, because Ghana is a country that has mosquitoes. All right, so let's go inside. All right, cool. So we are inside now. So the first thing you're seeing is the dining room area. So the dining room is set up with a table with 4 chairs and also has the AC here. So the remote for the AC is always sitting here. You can turn it on. It's all the way down to 16 degrees Celsius. And it goes up to 24 degrees Celsius as well. You also have a nice mirror on the wall here so you can check yourself on the way out. And then the kitchen is off to the right here, far enough away from everything. So if you want to cook, you don't have the food smell going in the house. So let's go into the kitchen. So here in the kitchen, the first thing you'll notice is there's a washer and dryer machine. So they also have a drying rack, because most people dry their clothes on a drying rack. There's also a pantry off to the right here. You have a microwave, tea kettle, plates, cups, all the things you need here. Your silverware is all here. You have a drying rack, a cutting board. I mean, you have cheese graters, spatula, everything you need in here to make your own food. Or if you order out, you can deliver food and you can heat it up in the microwave. There's also a toaster there as well. You have a cabinet here with all of the available spices and herbs that you could possibly need. They have a rice cooker. They have a blender. So if you make your own juices, if you want to make your own rice, they have all of that here. And then of course, over here, they have the refrigerator. One of the things that I really like about this place is the dispenser. This dispenser dispenses paper towels. I'm a little sweaty because we were just outside. I like this paper towel dispenser right here at your disposal. You wash your hands, you wash your dishes, you want to dry your hands. One of the other things I forgot to mention is over here is you have sugar, tea, and coffee. It already comes equipped with that. So it's in here. It's literally everything you need. I really like this Airbnb. So let's go back into the dining room and living room area. So here we are now walking into the living room. And in the living room, you have this nice size couch here. You have a television. This place is equipped with a DSTV and Wi-Fi. Then it has this little wand. If light goes out and it takes a little while for the generator to come on, you can use this wand to give yourself light to walk around. So really cool. Just another interesting feature that they have available here. An interesting side table here with a little bit of storage and some magazines if you read Elle or whatever. Some nice floral arrangements. It just looks good over here. Nice painting here. Now, hot water heater light for the hot water. They have hot water here, which is great. What I like about this place is the first thing you notice is they have a basket. This was full of washcloths. I've used them all. I've been here for a week. They have hand towels already ready for you. They put mothballs in the sinks, in the shower, and in the toilets to really make sure it still smells fresh in here. So the hot water heater is here, the shower is here, the toilet is here, and it even comes equipped with shampoo and lotions. So that is the guest bathroom. Now I'm going to take you into the guest bedroom. Now the guest bedroom here, it's a pretty good size. It has a mirror that you can check yourself out before you walk out. It has access to a balcony as well. Of course, there's AC in here to keep yourself cool. And what I like is that it has a built-in storage. So, you know, there's a storage here. There's an extra blanket, extra pillows, extra stuff in there if you needed it. But you don't really need extra blanket because it is warm these days. But yeah, the bed already comes pre-made with the sheets and everything on it, and then extra seats are available to you. So now we're going to walk back into the main, what would look like a master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, you have your own separate storage off here to your right. You have a bed, of course. They even have a little makeup desk here, or you can make it like an office desk, so you can work from here. There's a mirror here. And again, there's access to the balcony that's out there. I haven't even gone out on that balcony. I've just been using the other balcony. There's a ceiling fan. AC is on, keeps you cool in the house. Then, of course, this has an ensuite. In here, you have a shower, toilet, obviously sink. What I like is this basket here. They think of everything. So they have the basket with extra toilet paper. I mean, really nice what they do to, you know, keep the aesthetic really nice. They keep shampoo and a vegan, plant-friendly soap as well. So really like that about the place. Rainforest shower, and they have a shower head. That was the apartment tour. $50 per day, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1 ensuite, 1 separate guest with MTN Wi-Fi. They have DSTV, ACs in every room, ceiling fans in every room, lots of natural light, 2 balconies. If you're interested in this Airbnb, the information is going to be in the description below. If you're looking for more Airbnbs like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more like this. And then, of course, if you know anybody planning to come to Ghana and they're looking for a place to stay, make sure you share this video with them. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.